If you'd like to know the different versions of QuickBooks Online, this video is for you. QuickBooks Online has got 5 versions which you can choose from. The first one is self-employed. Self-employed is for those people who just want to keep track of their income and expenses and do their self-assessment. With the self-employed, you cannot give access to any user and you cannot create invoice. If you want to see the other features that you have in self-employed, you need to click explore all features to see all the features that you have in self-employed. The next version is simple start. Simple start has all the features in self-employed. The only feature that is in self-employed that simple start doesn't have is a feature that allows you to separate your business expense from personal expense. Every other feature is in the simple start. The additional feature that you have in the simple start is that you can create invoice and you can do your VAT return with simple start. The next version is essentials. With essentials, it has all the features in simple start. And the additional feature that you have in essential that's not in the simple start is that you can manage your bill. So if you buy things on credit and you want to track your bills, essential will be the best option for you. With the essential, you can not only track your bill, you can trade in foreign currency. With essential, you can give access to 3 users. With a simple start, you have access to 1 user. You can give access to only 1 user. The next one is the plus version. The plus version has all the features in essentials. The additional feature that you have in a plus version is that you can track your inventory. So if you sell physical goods and you want to keep track of your stock, plus version will be the best option for you. With plus version, not only can you track your stock, you can create budget and you can track how profitable your project is. So if you create a project and you want to know if the project is profitable or not, you can use the plus version. With the plus version, you can give access to 5 users. The next version is advanced. The advanced version, it has all the features in the plus version. The additional features that you have in the advanced version is that you can back up your data, you can customize your report, and you can, if you need specialized insight, you can use the advanced version. And with the advanced version, you can create batch invoice with the advanced version. With the advanced version, you can give access to 25 users with the advanced versions. So I'd like you to know that if you decide to choose any one and you realize that you need more features than the one you've chosen, you can always upgrade. So if you choose a particular version and you realize that you've got more features that you need, you can downgrade. So you can upgrade and downgrade irrespective of the price plan you choose. So another thing I would like you to know about QuickBooks Online, you don't need to sign any contract. If you sign up, you don't need to sign any contract. You can cancel at any time without any fee. If you sign up to QuickBooks Online, you have 50% discount for 6 months. If you sign up yourself, you have 50% discount. But for 6 months, but if you sign up through QuickBooks Online certified pro advisor, the discount is indefinite. The discount is continuous so long as you are with your pro advisor. You have the other option of 1 month free trial. So if you want to try the 1 month free trial, you just click on this button. So you can try out QuickBooks Online for 1 month without paying anything. So at the end of 1 month, if you decide to use QuickBooks Online, you pay the full amount. So what I want to say with QuickBooks Online is that it's, in my personal opinion, I prefer that you sign up using a Google account for 2 reasons. The first reason is that it streamline the process, make it easy for you, make it fast. So you don't need to remember the username if you sign up through Google, like using Google account. Another reason is it add an extra layer of protection to your account because of the authentication system in a Google account. So if you want to sign up to using to QuickBooks Online, so you can decide to sign up directly. You have 50% discount for 6 months, or you go through a certified pro advisor, you have the discount indefinitely, or you can choose to do the 1 month free trial. So if you want to sign up with a discount, you just click on this button, you choose whatever version you want. If you want the 1 month free trial, you click on this button and you choose whatever plan you want. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you find the video very helpful. Thank you so much.